We are this beautiful theater that offers cultural art performances for children all the way up to adults.
Right, it's a little bit of Broadway on Public Square.
Depending upon what generation you came from, at first it was the Comerford, and then the Paramount. Then it became the Kirby Center.
The building always stuck out as a premier historical building to me.
Coming to Wilkes-Barre was an event, so it felt like you were in something special.
The Kirby has always superseded any kind of expectation I could ever have for a venue in Wilkes-Barre.
And what opens up before you is something you're not expecting.
The loss of so much through Hurricane Agnes probably helped focus the people of the Winding Valley. Once the Paramount Theater was gone, it would be gone forever. And I was sad that it closed and happy that it got restored.
And without Al Boskov, there would not be a Kirby Center.
I opened the door. Mr. Boskov was on his knees. And of course, my checkbook came out.
We deserve the Kirby Center.
It was a center for culture for the community.
It creates traditions for families to gather. A lot of these kids aren't able to get that education right now in the schools.
You want that venue for your children and your grandchildren. You want that for your community.
So the first thing I think of when I think of the Kirby is seeing B.B. King here.
We started bringing in their bigger headliners, and it really upped the game for the Kirby Center and for this area.
Can you believe how fortunate we are to have this venue?
It's just a great, great venue, and without it, it would be missed.
It's a great night out. It feels like home.
Some days I would sit in the last row of the empty theater and just dream. The packed house was that dream kind of coming to fruition.
When the Kirby's lights are on, downtown is up.
But it's only for a little bit. We're unified.
The performing arts are not a luxury for a community. They are a necessity.
The heart of the Wyoming Valley, this wonderful cultural center preserved for new generations to appreciate and enjoy.